With affiliate. This will be a long video. Today I decided to review with affiliate because there are too many reviews on the internet about this online community and some reviews are misleading. This will be a very detailed with affiliate review that will help you to understand what with affiliate teaches and decide if it's a good platform for you or not. By the way, if it's your first time to my channel, my name is Frank Chanda. I'm an internet marketer. I'm the owner of the wealthyacademy.com. I give tips and training on how to make money online. I also review other programs in the make money online niche to help my audience to avoid scam online. Therefore, you'll need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll get my notification. You can also find all the links for everything that I mentioned in this video in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. By the way, to be completely transparent, I'm a member of Web Affiliate. Before you exit this video thinking I'm going to sell you the Web Affiliate membership or you won't get any value in this review, please hear me out for a few minutes. I'm not going to tell you that you can sign up with Web Affiliate and start making money today or tomorrow. I will be lying. Therefore, if you sign up and you don't follow the training and implement what you learn, you won't make any money. As you know, Web Affiliate is the online training platform that teaches how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not easy as many people make it sound. The process is easy, but the hard part is to see results. Affiliate marketing needs time, hard work, and determination. It is a very hard business model that needs discipline, planning, and hard work. Yes, you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing and you can do it from anywhere in the world. But if you want to start this business model and you know you are not organized, you are not disciplined, and you can also give up easily, then don't start this journey. You are just going to waste your time. I will tell you the hard truth most internet marketer cannot tell you and how exactly affiliate marketing works. Anyone who tell you that you can make money online with affiliate marketing in less than 2 weeks, who make $10,000 within a month, that person is a liar. I have been online for a while. Most of the people who are serious about affiliate marketing start seeing results within 3 to 6 months with dedicated work and make decent money over the year. Now you know that I'm not here to sell you the get rich quick scheme. Let me review Web Affiliate and tell you what exactly Web Affiliate teaches and if you can make money with what Kyle is teaching. Web Affiliate is teaching how to build a blog style niche website and earn money from affiliate commissions. A blog website involves writing articles and ranking those articles on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. It is very hard to rank a brand new website on the search engines. Web Affiliate teaches its students to focus on low-hanging fruit keywords. You might ask, what is it? It is a low competition keyword. For example, if you go on Google and search weight loss, people are looking for this keyword on Google. They want information who buy weight loss product. We can see how many search results this keyword has. This means many websites are targeting this keyword. If you scroll down, those websites you found on the first page of Google are authority websites. So with a brand new website, it's almost impossible to rank on the first page of Google with the word weight loss. Web Affiliate will teach you how to find low competition keywords and rank on the first page of Google. This is what Web Affiliate is teaching. Choose your interests, your niche, build a website, attract visitors to your website by writing quality content, and earn money from affiliate commission. To get visitors to your website, you need to write articles, and the more articles you write, the more traffic you get to your website, and the chance of making sales and earn affiliate commissions. As you can see in the training, Web Affiliate has two main training: the online entrepreneur certification and the affiliate bootcamp. The Online Entrepreneur Certification is a series of courses walking you through the process of creating and working a business within absolutely any niche that you want. The training has 5 phases and 50 lessons. As you can see, I've already completed this lesson. It is only few tasks remain. Therefore, if you sign up with Affiliate as a startup member, which means you create a free account, you have access to level 1 only until you upgrade your membership. Affiliate Bootcamp. Affiliate Bootcamp is a series of courses walking you through the process of creating and establish a business in the niche related to the promotion of web affiliate. This training has 7 phases and 70 lessons. As you can see, I have not completed this lesson yet. When I started, I was not promoting web affiliate right away. The big mistake most newbies made is to promote web affiliate when they start. This is a make money online niche, which is a very competitive niche, and if you start promoting web affiliate without any experience, it will take you a long time to start seeing results or make sales. Avoid the make money online niche until you have some experience. Once you start, you will need to digest the learning process and understand the business model. The biggest mistake most people make when they start with affiliate marketing, they want to make money right away. And the worst part is they give the time frame to see results. If you are that person, you are already set to fail. Focus on your goal and what you want to achieve. Making money online is a process. You did not go to school today and become an accountant tomorrow. You first digest the learning process, then you become an accountant. I'm not saying this will take you years. No, I'm just telling you to focus on the main objective and work on your business until you get a result. You can sign with web affiliate for free and get one website for free to practice what you are learning. If you understand the business model and decide to pursue your affiliate marketing journey, you can upgrade to your premium membership for $49 per month. I want to clarify something. When web affiliate claim you can build a revenue website within 60 seconds, this is true, but some people misunderstood it, and I will show it now. Go to website and build your website. In this case, I will choose a free domain. Choose your domain name for your website and enter the title of your website. You can pick any theme and click build my website. Let's wait for magic. Your website is done in less than 60 seconds. You can copy your website URL and paste it in the browser. Right now, your website is empty and you need to create content on your website. Web Affiliate never promotes itself as the all done for you program where you get a website full of content. No, guys. Web Affiliate also provides you with tools to build your online business. As you can see, site manager, site builder, site domain, and more. As I said before, Web Affiliate is teaching how to build a blog style niche website and earn money from affiliate commission. They also provide you with a keyword research tool called Jaxi. This will help you to find low competition keyword. Web Affiliate give you everything in one place to build your online business. There is also a week webinar with Jay. When you go to classes, you will find a lot of useful training that will help you to build a successful online business. Although Web Affiliate main focus is to teach you how to build a blog style niche website, when you look at the class categories, you will find different trainings in social media marketing, email marketing, freelancing, and YouTube training. The good things about Web Affiliate is Some of those trainings are given by Web Affiliate members who have achieved much success online, and some of them you see on YouTube, like Chris and Whoopi. I'm sure now you understand what is Web Affiliate is all about, and it's up to you to decide if this is what you are looking for or not. I have seen people saying Web Affiliate training is outdated. The truth is, affiliate marketing has changed drastically over the past years. People who are making money with affiliate marketing are the ones who connect with their target audience, which is the main core training of Web Affiliate. Your blog or your website connect with your target audience. Yes, some of the training are outdated, but mostly on the social network. That does not affect the main training. And on top of that, there's a weekly training that cover what is happening in the industry. If you follow the training and implement what you learn, you will get results. As you can see, John made $60,000 in one day following what Web Affiliate teach. John sell higher ticket program that pay up to $60,000 per sale, and this happened recently. For John to see this result, he works very hard and implement what he learned inside the Web Affiliate platform, and is a member of Web Affiliate since 2015. As you can see, other posts here is making huge commissions. There are also other members who have been with Web Affiliate for years and they don't make decent money. The reason is they don't take action and they work less on their website. Web Affiliate gives you the training and tools to build your online business. The success part is up to you to make your business successful. Web Affiliate never advertises itself as a all done for you program. No, you need to put in the work, and affiliate marketing is not easy. It needs time and effort. I want to explain something that I found in this Web Affiliate review. eBizFactors.com claim that most of the Web Affiliate members are making money by promoting Web Affiliate, and Web Affiliate has an element of a pyramid scheme. This is because Jerry, 85% of his commission come from Web Affiliate, and Little Mama, 75% commission come from Web Affiliate too. Let's define pyramid scheme. According to Wikipedia, a pyramid scheme is a business model that recruits members via promise of payment or service for enrolling others into the scheme rather than supplying investment or sale of products. Is Web Affiliate a pyramid scheme? The answer is no. Web Affiliate has a full training to help you build a business of your choice. They also give you tools like web hosting and keyword research tool. Members who decide to promote Web Affiliate are selling the program to other people. They are selling really course and really product. Therefore, Web Affiliate members are selling the program and they are not recruiting people to join Web Affiliate. You can buy the program and build your online business in whatever niche of your choice, and you are not forced to promote Web Affiliate. What this guy forget to tell you is Web Affiliate training works. If someone make this kind of money in the most competitive niche, which is the make money online niche, that means Web Affiliate training works, and Jerry start making this kind of money within 3 months in the most competitive niche. Again, there are no rules that say affiliate marketer need to promote different products. If you find one product that works for you, promote it and don't try to split your traffic on different products. As a newbie, don't focus on building a stream of income until you have a cash flow. The owner of eBizFactors.com wrote a very negative Web Affiliate review, but is still a member of Web Affiliate until now. You can see his profile here. What can you do on the platform that you don't trust? It simply means that he's using one of the Web Affiliate tools who is still getting Web Affiliate commissions. This person cannot be trusted, and the main reason for his review is to drive traffic to his higher ticket product, the Authority Hacker, which paid $990 per sale. So he's using the Web Affiliate loophole to promote Authority Hacker. I will be honest with you, Web Affiliate have some loophole and some other affiliate are using it to promote their products. That doesn't mean Web Affiliate is a bad platform. You can get much value as a member, and Web Affiliate is very affordable. In conclusion, Web Affiliate gives its students everything in one place to build a successful online business. Some students are making money with what Web Affiliate is teaching, and if you follow the training and implement what you learn, you will also make money. But it won't be an easy journey, and I will be the first one to tell you that affiliate marketing is not for everyone. It needs dedication and hard work to see results. If you think affiliate marketing is for you and you have what it takes to build a successful business online and you want to sign up with Web Affiliate, you can sign up through my affiliate link. All you need is to go to my website. I'll put a link in the description and sign up for my free 7-day affiliate bootcamp. This training will help you to avoid many mistakes newbies does and see fast results. And I will also help you inside the Web Affiliate platform if you have any issue or have any question. Now it's time for me to talk to you. Do you see yourself making money online with affiliate marketing? And what do you think about Web Affiliate? Please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.